So we are going to Shenandoah National Park to go on a hike. So it should be really exciting. Metro's coming with us and we've got lots of water. I've got my camera, have some snacks. So yeah, we're going on a road trip.
That's what this was for. Right there downstairs, a little bit of some bed. There you go, a little day bed.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
You wanna say something?
She's been being mean today, all day long. So I have nothing to say.
Bye. How pretty. Wow. See? Look at you. Hey, we're on this trail. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh shit. Let me tie my feet right quick. These jumps ain't no game. I ain't trying to twist my shit.
Halloween, so I'm wearing my Halloween socks. Metro's out here. And we're walking on this trail.
You wanna go sit on one of the rocks over there?
Sure. Go.
Yeah, you can go first. Keep walking around. Come on, let's go.
People are looking at it. I know, they're like, dang. Come up here. Sit. We're done. We're dead. This is really a lot. Vario, you good back there?
I'm good.
So we stopped at this place. Oh, it's not even on the bag. It's called Spelunkers. Spelunkers. And we got some trash food, but one in town, do it. Got these onion rings and they're so good. And then I also got a chili cheese dog. And I got a burger. What'd you get?
A burger, some fries. There you go, it's yours. It's a big ass burger too.
What's in that? A single?
Mm-hmm. Some bacon.
It's like dripping. This is gonna be a mukbang.
Shit is way too wet and juicy. That's a good ass burger though.
There's some good onion rings.
That's crazy.
Toasted bun.
Tender's kind of whack, but the burger's really good though. I like that.
Right? It's very good. The bun is like butter toasted.
I got some extra napkins. You got some in your bag too? The hood's really good? The burger or
The hot dog. You want to try it?
I think I'm gonna go. That's all about it.
You bite it, how you need to. You good?
That's good. First day I thought you was really like that shit.
Very good. I didn't even need no mustard on it. There's some Boy Scouts in.
Okay.
I saw on the Yelp that their burgers are really good, so I also got a burger. This is just a single cavern burger with cheese. Are you eating in the camera? It's a mukbang. It's a mukbang portion of the video.
I don't want people to see me eating. Everybody better sit down.
There's a lot of bread in it.
What is that the front wrong? You're just a hater, bro.
It's good. A lot of flavor in the patty.
Alright, never mind.
It is.
You don't like it?
It's really good.
She's a hater, dog.
This is a really good diner place. Like, it was packed in here. What?
So there's a lot of flavor in the patty.
It is.
You hate it? It's too saucy? Yes, it is. It's too saucy.
It's good.
You see, I don't know what's cool.
He was tired. Bacon wanna make you slap your mama.
Cut it. Cut it off.
So, getting all of our fat back in this food for after the walk we just had.
You chose the picture.
Gotta live. Taking off this bottom bun. Carbs. So me and Vario were talking about cutting out carbs for a month. Seeing if we could do it. When should we start?
ASAP.
Like tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Like really, that means no buns, no pasta. What else goes in the carbs?
Rice.
Yeah, no rice.
Mac and cheese.
No pasta.
No, fries.
Wait, no fries.
Don't wait on me.
Yes.
I'm trying to put me in the frame. I sit over here on purpose.
Mario, just stop. Why do people do this?
I know you're going. Where'd the water go?
You have to grab my hand today.
Why did you put the top on there, honey?
You put the top on there.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
You had it last.
You're the last person, but you said,
No, you did it.
you said, give me the top.
Put the top
Did you not say that? You said, give me the top when we were at the thing. You put the top on it.
You put the top on all loose.
Bro, you asked me for the top and I gave you the top.
With you?
Yeah.
It's just a trash bag, right?
You know exactly when you asked for the top.
I know,
and
I
you put it on there.
But you put it on.
No, I didn't.
You drank some more. We got in the car. I saw you.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
You did it.
I'm saying I put the top on there, but you drank some more.
No, I did not, Vario. I haven't drank that water you gave to me.
Yes, you did. I saw you drinking when you got the car.
I'm not doing this.
Excuse me.
So Metro's back there. I'm about to pass out.
You like the onion ring?
Wow.
I used to like onion rings.
Vario.
Sweet. I mean, but if a person like onion rings, it's them being the ones that they would like. You
Get a little thick.
I'm done. Burger, good as shit. Everybody pick your patty.
I saw you looking at it too.
I was like,
Okay, guys, but really, are you gonna think about cutting out carbs?
why are you telling them this?
Hey,
Are they gonna watch this whole thing, or are you gonna just speed it up like fast?
no, they're gonna watch it.
Not the whole thing.
That's what a mukbang is.
I thought you gotta speed it up like while.
And say mukbang.
No.
Say it. Can you flip your window?
Wow. What's what happened? You was scared when that white guy walked over here too.
Yeah.
I know you were. So she's very scared of the world.
I am. I don't play around with my world. People crazy out here.
Be aware, honey. Don't be scared though.
Sure I am.
Huh? You said vario or I am?
I'm said Vario, because then if something happens to me, you're like, why haven't you?
I said be aware, not scared. That's good advice to anybody.
I guess.
I'm not gonna tell somebody to be scared. If you're scared, you got. This is your honey.
I don't want that. I don't want that to touch my mouth.
Why? You got honey in it. You did have a whole hot dog.
The hot dog was good.
Sorry.
It was good.
Alright, check that out.
Okay, we're gonna drive home now. And switch on the flip side. Okay, so I just picked up these string lights from Target. Let's turn them on. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, okay. So I've got this little trick-or-treat thing. It was only like $1 at Target. So cute. Like these little lights, and then also got these orange lights, which I think I'm gonna put around my mirror. And then yesterday I got these little harvest little thingies for the kitchen. Yay. Okay, so let's put these up. These are only $4 at Target. Guys, I put everything up. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Turn this light off. Look, so Halloweeny. So these lights are the little string lights. We also have a little mini pumpkin here with this little fall thing out. So that's done. And then up the stairwell, we have the orange Halloween lights. So cute.
Alright guys, so I just got off work. I am listening to this podcast. It is called Uncover Escaping NXIVVI, I think. It's a cult that's in like Canada or something. I started it today. I'm not sure if I like it. It's not like Sword and Scale. Sword and Scale is a murder podcast and I freaking love it. And I've caught up so much that I need to wait for new episodes to come out, so yeah. But it is Friday, thank the heavens. I am off work. I'm so happy. This guy's looking at me recording, and let me put it down right here. You guys see me? So yeah, I'm just driving, guys. Let me turn this air down because I'm about to pass out literally in here. Okay, like, are you gonna let me go or what? Thank you. So yeah, guys, I'm just over it. I don't want to go to work anymore. I feel like this weekend's gonna go by so fast, and then it'll be over again, and next week is gonna be so crazy because we just have a lot of things going on. Oh my god, the sun is wild. Okay, I'm gonna record when I get back home. Bye. Yum, this smells so good. These two items. Okay, just wanted to show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx. So I got these cool little like slack pants, like trousers. They were $16.99 and I just thought they were really cute and high-waisted. I could wear them relaxed or to work, so I got those. And then I also got this really nice like mustard color v-neck sweater, and this one was $14.99. I just thought it was really cute and cozy, so I got that as well. $14.99, so nice. And then yeah, that's all. My man.